In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email from Freshsales. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send a polished message from within your CRM and have it logged on the right record so your team can see the full conversation history. First, open the specific record you want to email. This could be a contact, a lead, or a deal. Picking the correct place is important because Freshsales associates the email with whatever you have open. If you're working with someone who appears on multiple deals, open the deal that's most relevant to your message so the context is clear on the timeline. Take a quick second to confirm the record shows the correct email address. If a contact has more than one, choose the one you intend to use. This simple check helps you avoid sending the right message to the wrong inbox. Next, click Send Email. The email composer will open, usually with the recipient filled in based on the record you're viewing. If you need to include colleagues or stakeholders, add them in CC or BCC. Also glance at the From address to make sure it's the mailbox you want to send from, especially if you have access to more than one. Now compose your email. Start with a clear, purposeful subject line that tells the recipient what to expect. In the body, keep it concise and personal. Reference the context from the record, like the last call note or proposal stage, so your message feels relevant. Use the formatting tools for readability. Short paragraphs and descriptive links go a long way. If you have a pre-approved template, feel free to load it and then customize the key details so it doesn't sound generic. Check that your signature appears correctly and update it if needed before sending. If you need to share files, add attachments using the paperclip or attachment option. Choose widely compatible formats, keep file sizes reasonable, and give files clear names so recipients know what they're opening. If your email plan supports it, you can enable link or open tracking from the composer. Use this thoughtfully to gauge interest without over-notifying your contacts. Before you finalize, proofread for tone, accuracy, and any placeholders you might have missed. Make sure the right people are on CC, and remove anyone who doesn't need to be looped in. When everything looks good, click Send. Freshsales will send the message and log it automatically on the record's timeline, so you and your team can reference it later and continue the thread from the same place. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment or refresh the page. That's all it takes to send an email from Freshsales while keeping your outreach organized and on record.